Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Piwik CMS application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, Piwik is an open source project with advanced privacy features that can be executed on your own server. Those who have own website probably know that web analytic tools. It's a general terms including the study of impact of a website on its user. A business based on internet service like e-commerce needs to find statistical information about the people who visit the site, and this data is provided by the web analytical software. The Piwik CMS application requires a web server to functionally based on LAMP setup on your system and requires some of the PHP modules. I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system, so I have to proceed the installation of Piwik CMS application on my system. Now I am going to download a Piwik CMS application package using this following URL. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. Now we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the downloaded package. The downloaded package is a zip file, so we need to unzip the package using this following command. Then hit enter. The unzipping is completed now. Now we have to restore the files, and then here we can see the Piwik CMS application directory. Now we have to move this directory to the following path, and then here I have to mention a destination. Now I am going to change into the following directory, and then here we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the Piwik CMS application directory, and then here I have to change ownership and permission of the Piwik CMS application directory. Then we have to create a new host configuration to accessing a Piwik CMS application, and then here I have to create a new file. Then hit enter. The file is open now, and then here we can proceed the host configuration. After making the host configuration, we have to save and exit from this file. Then we have to enable the site accessing for new creation of host configuration. Then we have to disable the default site access. Then we have to enable the rewrite module. Then we have to restart the Apache service. Now we have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we have to give the following URL, and then here we have to mention a local IP address or a domain name. So I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is open now. Now we are in a welcome page of Piwik CMS application, and then here we have to click next, and then here it will show on a server configuration environment. After checking out the configuration, we have to click next. After checking out the configuration, we have to click next, and then here we have to configure the database detail. I have already created the database and database username and give the privileges to access the Piwik CMS application database. So here I have to give my detail. After configuring the detail, we have to click next. And then here it will show on a database table creation. Then we have to click next. And then here we have to configure the admin user credential. After configuring the detail, we have to click next. The credential is updated now, and then here we have to configure the site information. After configuring the detail, we have to click next, and then here it will show on a tracking code of the site. After checking out the tracking code, we have to click next. The installation is completed now. Then we have to click continue. Now we are in a login page of Piwik CMS application, and then here we have to log in with the help of using admin user credential. Then we have to click sign in. The site is open now. Now we are in a admin user dashboard of Piwik CMS application, and then here we can see the major configuration modules. Now I'm going to choose the setting, and then here we can see the what is the version we has been installed. Piwik CMS application on the system. These are all the installation process about how to install Piwik CMS application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linuxhelp. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.